Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to do the Bluetooth pairing test of the Powerbeats 3. So a lot of people have been requesting me to do a pairing test on this and see how it pairs and if multiple devices pairs on it and all these things. Now if you go online, you'll see a lot of people struggling with pairing these devices, the Powerbeats 3 with Android devices and computers and iPhones and all these devices. They are having a big problem. Ideally, these have the Apple's W1 chip, which is mainly meant for the iPhones. So if you have an iOS architecture, then this works better on them. But if you have an Android architecture, it works, but it doesn't work that seamlessly. So let's go ahead and check that once. So let's go ahead and pair it with one of the devices. So I'll pair it with the iPhone. Now to pair it, all you have to do is this button over here. That's the power button. Keep it pressed. Now the light will come up and then it'll start blinking. So once it starts blinking, now this is how an iPhone responds. So once the iPhone sees, okay, there's a Powerbeat 3 around me, it'll automatically come up. All you have to do is hit connect. And it's done. So now it's connected. It shows you the battery life, everything, and it's done. So that's how easy this is to pair with an iPhone. So this was meant for an iPhone. Now I want to pair it with a different device. So in order to do that, first I'll have to disconnect it from here. So I'll just put off the Bluetooth here. Now once I put that off, you see this is still on. It's not gone off or nothing, no pairing light, nothing. So I'll try searching for this on my OnePlus. Okay. Pair new device. Okay, a lot of different devices. Okay, so you see that the Powerbeats 3 is not shown in this menu. So the Powerbeats 3 does not go into auto pairing menu, which a lot of devices do when they get disconnected with the Bluetooth device. So they automatically go into auto pairing mode, but this one you'll have to do it again. So you'll have to press this button. Now it'll go. Okay, so now it's gone into the pairing mode again. Now you see Powerbeats 3 is showing up over here. I'll press that. It'll say pair, and that's it. It's done. So one more thing that I'll show you is, now this has a lot of other features like HD audio, media audio, phone audio, contact sharing. All these options are available on this. This is a HD earphone. So now this is done. It's paired with that. Now what I'll do is I'll switch it off from here, put off the Bluetooth. Now put this one back into pairing mode by pressing that power button. Keep it pressed till the time you see the white light blinking. Now it's blinking. I'll go on to another phone. I'll use the LG G6 and I'll search. Okay, Powerbeats 3. That's it. It's connected. Now the ultimate test, will it connect with the other devices simultaneously? Now it's connected over here. I'll try connecting it to another Android device. So this one automatically is trying to connect to Powerbeats. Now you see it's connected. So Powerbeats 3 is connected over here. Now it disconnected from the previous device. So this is the problem that you will have with the Powerbeats 3. It cannot connect with two devices at the same time. It can remember all of them, but it will not connect with all of them. Now this is connected. I'll go on to the iPhone, switch on the Bluetooth, and I'll try to connect to Powerbeats. Now you see, okay, so Powerbeats is connected over here. Now over here on the Android device, there, it's gone. So right in front of you, you saw that as soon as it connects to another device, the previous device gets disconnected. So you can only use one device with this. So in case your requirement is that you want to use two phones with one earphone, all the others will do it. The Powerbeats 3 will not do it with phones, but it works with a Apple Watch. So if I have this connected over here. Let me just show you that also. Okay, so right now it's connected on the iPhone. Now I'll try connecting it with the Apple Watch. Now I'll connect it to the Powerbeats 3. Okay, so it shows connected over here. Now let me just show that closely. So Ken's Powerbeat connected on the iPhone, Ken's Powerbeat connected on the Apple Watch. So two devices do work, but only an Apple Watch and a iPhone. Now I tried two separate iPhones also, it does not allow you. So I have another iPhone here. I tried that also, but it disconnects the other iPhone as soon as a new one connects. So if you want two devices to work, the only option you have is an Apple Watch and an iPhone. But if you want just one device, then you can use this earphone with any one of them. So that's it. That's what I wanted to show you. This is the big doubt that a lot of people have. Does it work with two devices? Yes and no. It works with two devices in case you have an iPhone and Apple Watch, but it does not work with two devices if you have any phones at all. Other than these two, it will not work with anything else. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.